What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Solana. I will be doing my best to cover Solana more consistently. I have a chronic health condition. Unfortunately, it's been flaring up badly over the last month or so, so I haven't been able to make as many videos each day. But Solana is one coin I'd like to cover more often on a consistent basis here. So let's get into it. We're sitting at 223. We're up about 4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 67.44 billion. And the 24-hour volume is 3.81 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto earning app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. As well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we came down and we hit our second buy zone. Our first buy zone was at 216. And our second one was at 188. So with our dollar cost averaging strategy, your average price would be in at about $2.02. So currently you're up here about 6%. So what you can do here when you hit your first buy zone and you come down to your second one, you can turn your first buy zone into a take profit zone as well. And that was a nice little trade opportunity of about 7%. And then you have your next take profit zone here at about 258. Now we do have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders going on here for Sol. So we have our left shoulder, we have our head, we have our right shoulder. And we had a bit of a fake out of a breakout here. You can see we broke the neckline, but we came back underneath it. And your target here for Solana would bring you up to our take profit area at about 258. Beautiful how that works here. So if we look at Solana here on the daily, we went through a beautiful correction. So we came up, we hit the 1.272, and we went through an ABC. So we came down, we created A, B, C correction. Back down to the 0.786, found support on the 55 EMA, and we bounced. So we're looking healthy for continuation. Even if Bitcoin were to come back down to 55K, or even if we saw Bitcoin go through a deeper corrective wave all the way down to about 52.9K, Solana could still come down and create a double bottom. As you can see here on the daily, we came down, created a level of support, bounce, come back down to the 0.786 double bottom breakout, back to the upside, break our high, and head up to our bull run target is all the way up here at the 2.272, coming in at 506. I'll drop in these targets as well. The two extensions at 421. Let's move this down to 420 just for fun. Come on, give me 420. It doesn't want to give me 420. Okay. 419. And then we have the 1.618. 325. No, guys, I do not blaze. I know everyone thinks I do. Even airport security, which checked my baggage because I was coming back from Jamaica. And they probably thought I had the ganja, but I don't. Anyways, guys, let's get back to the analysis here. If Bitcoin were to come down to 52K, then we could create that double bottom for Solana and then break out back to the upside. We're still looking really, really healthy for continuation. We have our Elliott wave theory. Let me open this up. So we have our 3 impulsive waves and our 2 corrective waves from the start of our bull run. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And within each wave is 5 waves. You can see here we're on our final impulsive wave, and we've had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, corrective wave 4, wave 5. Leading us up to our bull run target at about 506. Now, if we were to come down and lose the 0.786, if Bitcoin were to go through a harsh correction, then you would target the golden ratio coming in at about 171 for Sol. But that's quite a ways away from happening. If we were to go through a correction here, I do think there's a high likelihood we create that double bottom on the daily and we break back out to the upside. If we look at Sol here on the weekly time frame, even if we were to come all the way down to 171, we'd find support along the 20 EMA, and we'd still be looking healthy and strong for continuation. So let's finish off the video here on the smaller time frame. Do keep an eye on this inverse head and shoulders. If we break out, do target 258, which is our take profit area. And if we lose 216 as support, that's when we can come back down to the 0.786 at 188 and create that double bottom. We have our larger pattern here, which is a massive bull flag. And your target's up here at 290. Once we break 258, do target the 1.414, coming in at 282 for Sol. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor, and you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.